Good afternoon to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about remaining part of chemical reactions and equations, that is double displacement reaction. What is a double displacement reaction, sir? The reaction in which two reactants exchange their ions. The reaction in which two reactants mutual exchange of their ions to give it two products. In these two products, one of the product is a soluble and another one is insoluble. Insoluble substance is called precipitate. Then the reaction is called precipitate reaction. Here, now I am taking two substances. A is a one substance, AB is a one substance, CD is another substance. Already you know, arrow mark which indicates direction of the chemical reaction. Arrow mark left side substances are called reactants, and right side substances are called products. Okay, the reaction in which two reactants mutual exchange of their ions to give products. Here A plus and B minus, positively charged ions are called cations, negatively charged ions are called anions. Here also A plus and B minus, C plus and B minus. Okay, this positive charge exchange with negative charge means AD plus BC. This is a general form of chemical displacement reaction. The reaction which two reactants exchange their ions to give a two product. In this two product, one of the product is a soluble in water, another one is insoluble. For example, now I am taking a simple example here. Salt, NaCl, react with silver nitrate, gives rise to AgCl plus NaNO3. One example. So take one more example. BaCl2, barium chloride plus sodium sulfate uses, means here Na plus and Cl minus, Ag plus and NO3 minus, Na plus exchange with NO3 minus, Ag plus exchange with Cl minus. It is a white color precipitate. AgCl, silver chloride, sodium chloride, silver nitrate, AgCl, silver chloride, NaNO3, sodium nitrate. Barium chloride is react with sodium sulfate to form barium sulfate, is also white color precipitate, PPT. PPT means precipitate, plus 2 NaCl. One more example here. Lead nitrate, PbNO3 taken twice, is react with potassium iodide to give lead iodide, PbI2, is a yellow color precipitate, yellow PPT, plus KNO3. Okay, this is information about double displacement reaction. Okay, what is the double displacement reaction? The reaction in which two reactants exchange their ions to give two products. How many products? Two products. Okay, these double displacement reactions are classified in two types, that is precipitation reactions and as well as neutralization reaction. If you take acid HCl, base sodium hydroxide gives rise to NaCl salt plus water. It is also example for a double displacement reaction, mutual exchange, but it is a neutralization reaction. Okay, these are our precipitation reaction. Okay, the reaction which two reactants mutual exchange of their ions to give a two products. In these two products, one of the product is soluble in water and another one is insoluble. That insoluble substance is called precipitate. Then the reactions are called precipitate reaction. Okay, this is information about double displacement reaction. I hope it is clear. Okay, what is precipitation reaction? Any reaction that produces a precipitate is called precipitation reaction. Okay, now we will continue one more concept. That is oxidation reduction reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction. What is oxidation reduction reaction, sir? First, what is oxidation, sir? Addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is called oxidation, or gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen is also called oxidation. For example, you take copper combines with oxygen to form copper oxide. Gain of oxygen. What is the reduction, sir? Opposite definition. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen is called reduction. In this, CO combines with hydrogen gas to produce Cu plus H2O. Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. It is also called. What is the oxidation reduction reaction, sir? The reaction in which what is the definition of oxidation reduction reaction? The reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously is called oxidation reduction reaction. It is also called redox reaction. Example for redox reaction, it is also called oxidation reduction reaction. This example also oxidation reduction reaction. Now I am taking one more example. ZnO plus C gives rise to Zn plus CO. ZnO, zinc oxide can be converted into Zn. Okay, loss of oxygen is called reduction. C converted into CO, gain of oxygen is called oxidation. The reaction which both oxidation and reduction takes place in the reaction. If you take one more example, MnO2 converted MnCl2, loss of oxygen is called reduction. Removal of oxygen is called reduction. Removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. This is also one of the example of redox oxidation reaction or redox reaction. It is also example for copper oxide combines with hydrogen to form copper plus H2O. It is also redox reaction. Okay, this is information about what is redox, oxidation, reduction reactions. Oxidation reduction reaction is also called redox reaction. Next one last concept here, that is corrosion. Okay, nowadays it is a very serious problem of old wise. Corrosion, when a metal is attacked by substance around it, such as a moisture and acids. When a metal is attacked by substance around it, when a metal is attacked by substances around it, substances around it, such as a moisture and acids. Moisture and acids is called corrosion. One more definition: when a metal is exposed to moisture and chemicals to form the respective metal oxide on the surface of the metal is called corrosion. Example for corrosion: reddish brown coating on iron, reddish brown coating on iron Second one, black coating on silver. Third one, green coating on copper. These are the examples of corrosion. Okay, what are the examples here? Reddish brown coating on iron, black coating on silver, green coating on copper. Black coating on copper. And last concept of this chapter, this chapter, chemical reaction equation, last concept, rancidity. What is rancidity, sir? When a metal is exposed in a food containing fats and oils, the food containing fats and oils, they get oxidized root, change in a smell and taste. When a fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid. The smell and taste change. Okay, what is the definition here? When fats and oils get oxidized they become rancid and their smell and taste change. Antioxidants are added to the food containing fats and oils to prevent the rancidity. Antioxidants added to the food materials or food containing food and fats to avoid the rancidity. Already you know, Kurkure packets or any chips packets, nitrogen gas is stored in the chips packets or Kurkure packets. It is to prevent the oil, to prevent the corrosion, rancidity. Okay, this is information about chemical reactions and equations. I hope it is clear. Thank you. Okay, this is information about first chapter. Thank you.